this note and with this speech of it start right now. Yes, it's just a welcome speech. Of Nigeria, National Legal Advisor. Woman just said the third stanza as the prayer for this meeting. Oh God of our creation. Barrister Ren Naji, National Vice Chairman, Southeast. Engineer North Central. Your Excellency, today is the inaugural National Working Committee meeting. Shadeni Kadedayo, National Woman Leader. Babangida Modibo, National Vice Chairman, Northeast. To build a nation where no one is oppressed. As of the press, this is the new National Working Committee. Without taking our time, let me Ambassador Dr. Ibrahim Balabokina.
But the triumph of institutional resilience over uncertainty and a collective conviction over division. Today, we can confidently affirm that the People's Democratic Party has emerged stronger, more united, and a better position to fly its historic role in Nigeria's democratic journey. The successful navigation of this challenge is a testament of the majority of our internal mechanism and the enduring strength of our democratic culture. We take a particular pride in celebrating what has been widely acknowledged as one of the most organized and a credible national convention, conducted by an opposition party in our nation's history. That a convention was not just a procedural exercise, it was a powerful reaffirmation of our party commitment to order, transparency, and constitutionalism. It has since produced a corps of national officers who are not only competent, but deeply committed to managing the affairs of our great party with excellence, discipline, and a renewed sense of purpose for the greater good of our people and our dear country. It is also significant to note that a question of leadership, which was once subject to a contention, has now been conclusively settled. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has duly recognized and uploaded the names of our national officers on its official portal. This development provides institutional clarity and further reinforce the legitimacy of a current leadership. The era of uncertainty is behind us, and the PDP is once again firmly anchored on a foundation of legality and order. In light of a recent speculation, we wish to state unequivocally that the People's Democratic Party is not engaged in any matter or coalition discussion with the African Democratic Party, ADC, or with any other political party in Nigeria. The PDP remains strong, independent political platform with a clear vision and a credible pathway to reclaim its leadership role at the national level. We therefore strongly condemn the misleading and unfounded statement attributed to Teni Muturaki, which attempt to create a false narrative of non-existing coalition talks. Such assertions are not only inaccurate, but represent a deliberate effort to misinform the public and undermine the integrity of our party. While we respect the fundamental rights of freedom of expression, we will not tolerate action that amount to a disregard for the rule of law or that seek to bring the party into dispute. The PDP will all take necessary legal steps to address any conduct that borders on contempt of court or misrepresenting the accordance with the extant laws. We also extend our sincere appreciation to the national security agencies for their professionalism and timely intervention during the most difficult moment of our recent history. Their role in safeguarding our property, including the unsealing and restoration of access to our national secretariat at Wadata Plaza and Legacy House, is deeply appreciated. This action has ensured that the legitimate leadership of the party can operate without hindrance and continue to serve the interests of our members across the Federation. As we convene this crucial NWC meeting, which serve as our first inaugural meeting, we do so with a renewed spirit of unity, discipline, and forward-looking. Determination. The PDP is undergoing in a period of strategic recalibration, and we are poised to unveil both initiatives that will not only position the party but also offer Nigeria a credible, compelling alternative in the years ahead. Looking toward 2027, we assure Nigerians that the PDP will present ideas, leadership, and solutions that reflect the true aspiration of our people. The party is preparing with a diligence and clarity of purpose to play a decisive role in the shaping the future of our nation. We urge all our members to remain steadfast, to deepen grassroots mobilization, and to continue to uphold the values that define our great party. The journey has not been easy, but it has been instructive. From adversity, we have drawn strength from challenge. We have fought unity, and from uncertainty, we have emerged with renewed clarity. The People's Democratic Party is back again, stronger, and by the grace of Almighty Allah,